Welcome to Ride Radar, where we bring you the latest updates and insights on the best motorcycles and off-road machines. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro, a bike that's pushing the boundaries of off-road performance. Whether you're an enduro enthusiast or a competitive racer, the 300 rr-xpro might just be the bike that takes your riding experience to the next level. Stick around as we break down its features, performance, and everything you need to know about this highly anticipated model. Overview. The Beta 300 rr-xpro is a significant step forward for the Italian manufacturer, who has long been renowned for crafting exceptional off-road bikes. As the successor to the previous models in the 300rr lineup, the 2025 iteration brings with it refined engineering, enhanced performance capabilities, and innovative features designed for serious riders. From amateur trail enthusiasts to professional racers, the X-Pro offers something for everyone, combining agility, power, and cutting-edge technology in one machine. Design and aesthetics. While performance is the main focus, the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro also stands out with its aggressive and modern design. The bike features sleek lines and a minimalist look that's as functional as it is visually striking. The bodywork has been updated to provide a cleaner, more aerodynamic appearance, while also offering better protection from debris and the elements. The color scheme of the 300 rr-xpro is bold and vibrant, with a combination of sharp graphics and Beta's signature red, white, and black color palette. This design is not only eye-catching but also practical, as it helps with visibility on the trails. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro is its 293.1 cubic centimeters, two-stroke engine. Beta has made considerable advancements in engine tuning, ensuring that the 300 rr-xpro delivers exceptional torque and power delivery across a broad range of RPMs. The engine is designed to provide maximum performance in technical off-road environments, whether you're navigating tight single tracks or tackling steep hill climbs. Beta has also refined the bike's exhaust system for 2025, improving the power band while keeping emissions in check. This new exhaust system enhances throttle response, ensuring that the power delivery is smoother and more predictable. Riders can expect the kind of reliability that Beta's two-stroke engines are known for, offering exceptional performance without compromising ease of use. Chassis and suspension. When it comes to off-road bikes, the chassis and suspension setup are paramount to the overall riding experience. The 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro utilizes a refined frame designed for better stability and responsiveness. The aluminum frame provides a good balance between strength and lightness, making it ideal for navigating rough terrain while still delivering a precise feel. The suspension has also been improved for the 2025 model, featuring high-end components such as the Sachs forks and shock absorber. With an adjustable compression and rebound damping system, the suspension is fully tunable to match the rider's preferences and riding conditions. Whether you're going for a fast-paced enduro run or tackling technical terrain, the suspension ensures optimal traction, control, and comfort. Additionally, the updated frame geometry enhances the overall handling of the 300 rr-xpro, offering a more planted feel while cornering and allowing the rider to take on obstacles with greater confidence. Technology. One of the standout features of the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro is its incorporation of modern technology to make the rider's experience even better. Beta has equipped the 300 rr-xpro with advanced electronics, including a programmable ECU, electronic control unit. This allows riders to adjust engine mapping for different riding conditions, optimizing power delivery and making the bike more adaptable to various environments. In addition, the X-Pro includes a new traction control system, which helps keep the rear wheel from spinning too much on loose or wet surfaces. This system is designed to assist riders in maintaining better control, especially when conditions are unpredictable or challenging. Whether you're riding on slick mud or loose sand, the X-Pro ensures that you can make the most of its power while maintaining optimal traction. Another technological feature on the 300 rr-xpro is the updated lighting system, which includes a new LED headlight and taillight, improving visibility during night riding or in low-light conditions. Beta has also enhanced the bike's cooling system, ensuring that the engine stays within the optimal temperature range, even during long, grueling rides. Ergonomics and comfort. Long rides and challenging races demand comfort, and Beta has made sure that the 300 rr-xpro caters to this need. The bike's ergonomics have been fine-tuned to provide the rider with a comfortable and natural riding position, whether you're standing up on the pegs or sitting during long stretches. The seat has been redesigned for better support, and is made of high-quality materials that offer durability without sacrificing comfort. The handlebars are adjustable, allowing riders to fine-tune the position for better handling and control, while the footpegs are designed to provide excellent grip, even in wet or muddy conditions. Overall, the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro is built for long days on the trails, giving you the support and comfort needed to keep pushing through every challenge. Durability and maintenance. Off-road riding can be harsh on a bike, but Beta has designed the 2025 300 rr-xpro to be rugged and easy to maintain. The frame is built to withstand the rigors of tough terrain, and the components are durable enough to handle the wear and tear of extended off-road use. Whether you're racing through rough trails or spending hours out in the elements, the X-Pro is built to last. Maintenance is also a priority for Beta, and the 300 rr-xpro is designed with serviceability in mind. With easily accessible components, riders can perform routine maintenance tasks such as air filter changes and oil replacements without any hassle. The bike's design allows for quick and easy access to critical parts, ensuring that keeping the 300 rr-xpro in top condition is a simple and straightforward process. Conclusion. The 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro represents a bold step forward in enduro performance, with an exceptional combination of power, technology, and durability. Whether you're tackling technical single track, competing in races, or simply enjoying a day of trail riding, the X-Pro delivers the performance and reliability that riders demand. Beta has once again proven why it's one of the leading names in the off-road world, offering a bike that is both competitive and accessible to a wide range of riders. If you're looking for a machine that can handle the toughest conditions while delivering top-tier performance, the 2025 Beta 300 rr-xpro is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Ride Radar. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more motorcycle reviews, comparisons, and off-road tips. Until next time, keep riding and stay safe.